In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete files on a GitHub repository. Whether you're cleaning up your code base or removing outdated files, knowing how to delete files directly from your GitHub repository can be a handy skill. Let's dive right into the process. First, navigate to your GitHub repository, where the file you want to delete is located. If your repository is organized into directories, you'll need to click through these folders to find and open the specific file you intend to remove. Think of this step like browsing through files on your computer. You want to make sure you're looking at the exact file you want to delete, so take your time to navigate accurately. Once you have the file open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the file display box. There, you'll notice a button with 3 horizontal dots, commonly referred to as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on this button. This will unveil a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform on the file. From the drop-down menu, select Delete File. This action will prompt you to a new page where you can finalize the deletion process. It's important to note that once a file is deleted, it's removed from the repository unless restored, so make sure this is indeed the action you want to take. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Commit Changes form layout block. This is where you'll document the reason for the deletion. In the commit message box, type a concise summary explaining why the file is being removed. For example, you might write something like, delete outdated data analysis cache. Providing a clear commit message helps other collaborators understand the purpose of the change and maintains a good track of modifications over time. Next, you need to decide where to apply this change. You have 2 options here. You can commit the deletion directly to your main branch or create a separate feature branch for a pull request. If you're working on a team or want to ensure the changes don't affect the main branch immediately, opting for a separate feature branch might be the way to go. This allows others to review the changes before they are merged into the main code base. However, if you're confident and it's a straightforward change, committing directly to the main branch is a quicker option. Once you've made your choice, the final step is to click the green Commit Changes button. After you do this, the file will instantly vanish from the repository. This action ensures that your repository stays tidy and up to date, reflecting only the current and necessary files. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a file from your GitHub repository. This straightforward process helps you manage your projects more effectively, ensuring that your codebase remains clean and organized. Remember, keeping your repository free from unnecessary files not only optimizes performance, but also makes collaboration with others smoother and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.